Hey y'all, coming to you guys back with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a collaboration video with Wallpaper. They sent me over some wallpaper that I'm going to be installing on Zai's wall right here. If you all remember, she has like a flower type nature theme going on in here. So they reached out to me to try some wallpaper, and I picked out, it was like a 3D vinyl wallpaper. So I'm going to be installing it on this wall. So if you guys want to see me transform this wall, stay tuned to this video. So first I'm going to go ahead and move her stuff like the mirror, the bed, scoot it over this way. I have the wallpaper right here. It came in this green box right here. It says, "Hello, I'm your new wallpaper." Now this particular wallpaper, since I did get the vinyl, it came up to 500 and some change. I can't remember the exact, so it was 500 and something dollars for the amount of square feet that I needed for Zai's room. And what I'm going to use to put it on the wall is this Crafts Bond spray adhesive. I was going to go get the, Gorilla spray, but then I ended up finding this one at Kroger. So I was like, I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully it lasts and it stays on as long as I want it to, but it just said you can use something as simple as this. I'm going to go ahead and take a little cloth, wipe down her wall before I install, and then we're going to see how this comes out together.
In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's and I see you.
So it is about 12 a.m. All the kids, everybody's sleeping. I think Zion is the only one up. But all the kids are sleeping and husband sleep. So I decided to stay up late and get it done and surprise Cookie when she wakes up in the morning. I take the wallpaper out, it looks like this. So they have it wrapped in some kind of paper. So since she has the flowers on her wall, it's just like a pretty flower effect. Staring out the window, we're trying to stop outside. What's the reason why? So what I'm gonna do is like spread them all out, and then I'll come back and show you guys how they look. So I see they have the numbers on it because I was actually gonna look and see like which number goes first, but I see they have that it is a total of 7 pieces. So they have them numbered. So if you can see it says number 1 of 7, and then this one says number 2 of 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Yeah, it's easy then. I thought that it was gonna be like hard to figure out which one goes first. But since they numbered them, that really helped me out a lot. So if you guys are interested and want to purchase anything from them, so far so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some scissors so that I can cut off the bottom portion of the wallpaper. The paper, this particular piece right here that has like 1 and then 1 of 7, I'm just gonna like take my scissors and then cut that piece off. And then I'll start spraying I think I'm gonna put my adhesive on the wall, not on the actual wallpaper. I think it'll be better that way. So that, yeah, I think I'll just stick it on the wallpaper. That way I don't put too much on my wall and then it dries out and mess up that particular spot. So let me go ahead and get my scissors real quick and I'll be right back. So my start time is gonna be 1 o'clock, so 1 a.m. It seems like, since it's only 7 pieces, that it's only going to take me about maybe 30 minutes. It just depends on how fast I can get up this ladder when I start installing. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the first piece off at the bottom, and then go ahead and spray that first half of it, like the top of it, and then I will start installing it on the wall. So I bought this at my local Kroger. This was like $3.99.
I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.
So the first piece looks really good, y'all.
See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, no more.
Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say it.
Okay guys, so this is how the wall is looking. Looks really, really good. I have 2 more pieces to put on right there, and then I will be done. And then the only thing I have to do is, when I get done, is down here is take off those little pieces. They have my name. I'm gonna use some scissors to just slice those off. Just taking a wet rag and just wiping off the wallpaper.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
So in total, I'm gonna be starting on my 3rd can. So you will need about If you get this size, this is a 4-ounce. So you'll need about 12 ounces if you do like a wall about the size of mine. I only have one more piece left.
I can see. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good, die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's advertised. It's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be back.
Thank you guys again at Ever Wallpaper for sponsoring this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.
She fill my mind up with ideas.